Okay, you can start, Alvin.
Okay, Malina, you can continue the training.
You can start that when you to show the users.
Okay, no problem. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. So today we are going to show you the CRM PSF part, note service reminder. Okay, in this CRM, you have to click here. CRM module will be open. Okay, in this CRM module, always you have to click this one, sales call schedule. Sales call schedule. You can see this button. Can you see here? It is written sales call schedule. Sales call schedule. Click that one. The window will be open. This window will be open. Again, you have to search which brand you are going to call. PSF means post service follow-up. Okay. Here always remove these prospects. Just select the after sales. Select the dealer here. Click the dealer like this. Okay. You can choose whatever you want to choose. Okay. Now I'm blank for all. You can do for all also. Anyway, this one date I'm going to put the 1st January because this is the testing server and the data is not available. Current data is not available. So I will take it from March. Let's take February. Okay. And store I will select. If I want to call store wise, I can call store wise. If I want to call the dealer wise, I can call dealer wise. Let me select the dealer. Dealer is the Nissan. Select. Now here call type. Call type we have to select post service follow-up. And click apply. Once you click apply, the data will come here. This is the data. Here the one more feature will be added when we are going to live from your own computer. Okay. So you will select this one and this the button assigned to me. So you have to click this button, assigned to me. Double click on this one because that button is still not working, assigned to me. You will see the detail of the customer. You can see the customer name, date, and this is the information. This is the repair order, invoiced vehicle by this service advisor, and this is the phone number of the customer. Okay, can you see? Okay, now this call type 7, this is the date. Here, once you will click that one, assigned to me, your name will come here. Your name will be automatically here. Instead of the DMS, you can see here the DMS. Once that button will start working, that your name will come here directly. Okay. Now, this is the question. This is the testing server, which this is the old question. I'm going to delete that one and I will show you the new question which we already entered. Okay. You can see the question is here. So this is your first question. how satisfied are you with the overall service experience you had? So these questions may be 5 questions, 6 questions, 7 questions as per your brand, as per your dealer, the question will be available here. In this question, suppose you call the customer, this is the number you are calling to the customer, you are going to ask this question, double click on it. Once you double click, it will ask you the response from the customer, what customer is saying. Okay, you can put the comments. This is the result of this question. This is the result response, this question. You have to click, check what customer is saying. Suppose this is the question. Let me show you again. You are going to repeat this question to customer. How satisfied are you with overall service experience you had? So customer will say, yeah, I have this one. And you know, he will give his response. So you have to ask the rating, because this question is the rating question. The dealer has decided that it should be the rating. So you have to select the rating, whatever the rating he is giving. If he said, okay, I will give only the 2 rating, you select the 2 rating, okay? If customer say, oh, no, I will give 9 rating, 9 rating, okay? So 1 is low, 10 is high. So let's see this one, select the 1, this one. Comments, you can write any comments. If you want to type here, you can write the comments, okay? So this is the first question. You can see here customer replies the first question and rating is the 1. Is the second question. Again you are going to ask same thing, double click, select the response. In this one he gives the rating 4. Select, click OK. So this is the rating 4. Third question, click response, yes or no. Okay, no is not here. We will add this one no. एक बार note कर लेगा क्या भाई? Question number 3. Making an effort. So yes or no, you will get yes or no. So because the question is like that, the customer have to reply in yes or no. So you select yes or no, whatever the customer is saying. The third question. So you have to repeat the whole question to the customer one by one. Customer have to reply yes or no or rating. So in this case I selected no. Okay. Next question. Again yes. Next question. Reply yes or no. Yes, saved. Another question. So this is the last question is remaining. No, one more question is there. Yeah, another one is there. Rating again. 1. Is the question next. Select the answer. Yes. Click OK. Okay, once you this one, here, this is the salesperson says. Means when you are speaking to the customer, more information. This button is the vehicle history button. Okay, so you can check, click this one, you can check the history, vehicle history here. Okay, history will be open here. History will be open here. We already give this request to Autologica. If you are working in the same store, as per the store, the vehicle should be displayed here automatically. Okay, we already given this request because it's showing Jahau and the store is showing 5025. I'm working with the Nissan and the store was 4014. So it should come automatically here 1014. Okay. So that you have to click apply. Once you apply, the history will display here. So before calling the customer, you have to use this option. You must know what the history of this vehicle. Okay. Before calling the customer, you have to check the history. What is the history? Because the customer will ask the question from you maybe. So this is very important, and these changes will be get shortly. You no need to select anything here. Autologica will make the provision here automatically that selected vehicle information will be displayed here. Okay. Okay. So this one, this history you can print. This is just report, nothing else. If you click, it will open like a report. Okay. Now, this the salesperson says. If you want to put your own comments, you have to put here. Like the vehicle is coming to the workshop on dated this. Okay. Like customer say that I will come after 2 days. So you have to write that comments. Okay. Now this option is the feedback option. What is the feedback? The customer feedback came is the delay, vehicle was delayed in the delivery, part was not available, poor workmanship or staff attitude.
Add one more point.
In PSF survey, this reasons will come.
Yes, this is the reason. No? We have given why the customer, why is the delivery. That will be the as per the rating. As per rating or yes or no question. If you select the rating 10.
Okay, if I want to select any of these got selected.
No, it will not accept. It will not accept.
So there is no satisfied.
Satisfied it will be automatically. No? Satisfied will be there. Here you can select if the customer is not picking the phone, not interested to talk, customer unwilling, no phone number, not reachable, out of station or wrong phone number. So you can choose this option. In that case, you no need to reply the question because you are not contacted to the customer. Okay. So
No, sir, no, don't select anything.
If the customer is satisfied, don't select anything. Simple.
okay, this is the CRE comments.
Okay.
Okay.
But this is follow for which vehicle?
This vehicle, Abuja.
So this is the scope.
Yeah.
Where I will get the details? Okay. For what vehicle we are following up?
Click here. It was already on the front screen. It was already on the front screen, and this is the COR number.
Okay, but registration number, model number, where I will get?
That was the front, no?
Where?
On the first, where we select the record. Wait. Let me move. Let me move it down. Here you can select this one. No? This is the customer.
This is the customer.
Yes.
I will give it there 100 vehicles. Only vehicle I am calling.
What is
Okay.
vehicle?
You want to see the registration number?
Yes, I want to see for particular vehicle
Okay.
I am calling.
No. Okay. Malina?
Yes.
Malina? Hello? Malina?
Yes.
I think Malina is left.
No, I'm here.
Malina, the question is where they can see the registration number and model.
Let's check in more information.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you have license plate. That is what they want.
Okay, that's fine. This is the vehicle details, but when it came, I have to go and check in history.
Yes.
Kilometer.
What kilometer, which day it has come?
That is in the history.
Is that, why can't make it here? There's a lot of space.
Okay, Malina?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's that
here, repair order details are here.
Yes.
Hello? Hello?
So,
8th of February.
yes.
It is based on delivery date or it is based on repair order?
Based on invoice. Okay. So now I'm going to click OK. This has been accepted.
It is only for
So what
90.
is the feedback?
Hello?
No, it is not mandatory. They are working on that one. They are working on that one. Malina,
Yes.
Only for 90.
yeah, the same question came which I, told you that it should not accept without the selecting the option.
Without the feedback.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
The feedback will be satisfied, not satisfied.
Yes.
It's important.
Okay. Okay. So now that customer is gone from here. It is not in your list.
One question is delay delivery.
Delay delivery. That question is from our own side. We can.
Okay. The question is that we are selecting the feedback, delayed delivery, and so many reasons are there. Part was not
Yes,
available,
yes.
appointment, and all that things. But for me, at follow-up time, I must need to know that customer is satisfied or not satisfied.
And we can put that one, this one option there. No, satisfied, dissatisfied will come from your rating and yes and no question automatically. Right, Melina?
Yes, correct. If you select questions that are not expected, you will have the options for feedback that are unsatisfied.
Okay. Okay, maybe they have not seen the question. Let me show them the question, how the question was configured and how it will work.
No, we have seen the questions.
No. You have not, there's some, this one. So let me show you the question. This is the question, okay? If you, this question, is this the rating one, expected response. If this expected response is not selected, it means that customer is dissatisfied.
No, see, so if suppose it is from 10 to 1 is the rating.
Yes,
Now you put only 10 is the expected response.
yes.
See, until unless it is not 10,
Is
everybody
that
is dissatisfied.
dissatisfied?
How come it
Uh,
is? How
Is
come
it,
it is?
is it like that, Malina?
Yes,
No, it
correct.
should not be like that, Milena.
Hello? Hello, Malina?
Yes.
Yeah, it is like that, right?
Yes, it's like that. If they select the expected response, they will have the options for satisfied.
Only one.
If they select any of the other response, they will have the satisfied.
No, what is the question? What is the question? Now they are saying if it is the rating from 1 to 10 and customer is saying I will give the 9 rating, it means the customer is dissatisfied.
You can only
How
have
come it is?
one expected response.
That's why I'm asking. Not I, the user is asking. If the customer gives the rating 9, so it's the dissatisfied, right?
Right.
How he can be dissatisfied at the rating of 9?
Is the Pankaj who is speaking to you.
Okay. Maybe we can create an option for feedback that is, it will be for dissatisfied because you don't get the expected response, but you can put a comment that is not completely unsatisfied.
Malina,
Yes?
on the rating questions, like the standard criteria is okay, from 1 to 6 it is dissatisfied or its results are not acceptable. 6 to 8, okay, somewhat satisfied. 8 to 9 we can say okay, satisfied, and 10 is 100% satisfied or very satisfied. This is how the rating works. But
Maybe
if you put
instead
only 1 point, okay, this is
of having all those options, we can put the rate just from 1 to 5. So you have 5 as an expected response and 1 to 4 unexpected.
no, but the 5 is not an expected response because 5 is an okay answer. I don't need okay, but what I need is okay, I need minimum 90 to 100% or 80 to 100%.
Yes, but
Or
I mean
8 to
if you
10.
just,
I need a rating between 8 to 10. That is my satisfaction range.
But I think if you just leave the rate 1 to 5, in that case, I say that 5 would be the
Okay,
expected
in the
response.
feedback, Malina, we can add in the feedback the satisfied, dissatisfied, correct?
Yes, correct.
We can add in the feedback the satisfied and dissatisfied here.
Yes.
Here in the feedback, we can add the satisfied, dissatisfied.
Yes, that would be easy, maybe on those cases.
Okay, let's see, this one is the question, this. Another, I will pick another question.
And also if you have one response on any of the questions that is not expected, you will have the dissatisfied feedback.
But in the rating, they are saying in the rating, it will not work like that, like yes and no. Yes and no, they can understand.
Yes.
But in the rating, it will not work. That is their question.
Yes.
Okay, yes, we can add another feedbacks like satisfied or unsatisfied.
See, the response may be dissatisfied or poor service, poor, average, good, and very good.
So here in the remark, we can give that satisfied, dissatisfied.
Yes.
No. You didn't get me. Suppose you are selecting 9 here, it is dissatisfied by default.
By default, is dissatisfied, yes?
You have to give the breakup for the one.
Because the expected response is 10, not 9.
Make a grading, na? 1 to 6, there will be poor. 6 to 8,
Satisfied.
okay, average. 8 to 9, satisfied. And 10 is very satisfied.
Yeah, Malina,
Yes.
can we make the grading like 1 to this one is the satisfied and from this one to this one not satisfied?
No, the options right now it's satisfied or unsatisfied.
Okay, let them make.
Let it be.
Let it be. Satisfied, dissatisfied.
Okay, in the feedback, we will put select the satisfied, dissatisfied, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, if in this one, I have the question here, if the customer is saying that dissatisfied,
Mm-hmm.
and the another one he want to select that poor workmanship, so that will be the another issue, na?
Sorry again.
Customer is saying I am not satisfied at all because your workmanship was very bad.
Yes.
So now the customer is dissatisfied. If we are putting that option there, dissatisfied,
Yes.
so user will not select the poor workmanship. Correct?
Correct.
So what is the solution for that?
There you will have to check what you prefer, if you have all the options there, or how you want to name the feedbacks. How it will
Or
work better for you.
can you put one checkbox like this, satisfied, dissatisfied?
But it
So
will be
user
the
will
same,
select.
because satisfied or unsatisfied depends on the response they get on the questions.
Yeah, you are right. You are right. But that one will be work on the yes or no. But in the rating, that will be the little difficult for them.
Right now we don't have another option. I can check if we can, what we can do.
Can create a satisfaction and dissatisfaction. This will create
Because it depends on the response. If you get the expected one, it would be the satisfy option.
rating is to calculate score.
Yes, I understand what you are.
You understand, Malina?
Yes. Yes, on the
Because
rating is
this
the issue.
rating, this rating is the score.
Yeah.
Malina, there are 10 questions in this, right?
Yes.
And suppose if I will call a customer and he will say for 1 out of 10 questions no. So it means customer is dissatisfied. Now I will call 100 customers So 100 into multiply by 10 questions is 1000 questions, and there is always a possibility a customer will not happy at every point. So maybe the 100 customers will be dissatisfied then.
Yes, then maybe the best option is that you have the feedback for just satisfied or unsatisfied.
No, you didn't get me. What I said.
No.
The questions are 9. 9 questions to know the customer response on our overall service experience, right? Now, the dissatisfaction reasons may be different. Maybe the part was not available, the service advisor was not good, they delayed the service, right? There are different reasons.
Yes.
Okay. So, if my 9 out of 9, 8 questions customer is happy, and for one question he is not happy, or he is not completely not happy, he is somewhat happy.
Yes.
But if I will say no to that, it means the score is 0. He is dissatisfied.
Yes.
So whatever the score was there in it, remaining 8 questions, maybe it is 100%. Because of this one question, it became 0.
Yes, you will only
It should
have
not be like that.
Yeah.
It should not be like that. It is not like the other systems are working. Like as for us in Nissan is following up directly with customers from South Africa. They use the same questions, but they don't use it to know the to know whether it is to put it in the customer in dissatisfaction or satisfaction category. It is just to rate the customer's expectation.
No. That one is the rating will come. Rating will come. Rate from 1 to 10.
Yes.
If you want to check the satisfied, dissatisfied customer, okay, that at present it will not give you the correct figure.
Yes, that is what I'm saying.
Okay, but in that one, in this column, you can come and you can do that your exercise. It's okay.
This feedback that you are adding is just to check on the reports, but on the reports
No,
you can also check by the response.
Malayan, I just want to ask if I have you have selected in dissatisfaction rating, right? So is it going to generate a complaint?
Not right, Arvin? You didn't say that.
Sorry?
Not
His
right now.
question
No.
is, if the customer is dissatisfied, are you going to generate the complaint?
With these questions?
That had to be set. I don't know what if you already configured that.
No, we have not configured.
Not yet.
Not yet.
That is another thing that we have to test
But
first.
that is possible, right?
But it's possible, yes.
Yes, it's possible. Okay.
We may,
So if when we reply that this, you can give the feedback remark. You can enter the feedback remark and you can click OK. This call will be out from here. We are going to add one more process here, complaint. If the customer is dissatisfied, complaint will be generated. Right, Malina?
Yes,
when?
correct.
On what parameters?
So what is the complaint? Then we will discuss. No problem. That complaint issue we will discuss separately
Yes,
out
that's
of this
another
meeting.
training.
Yes. So only this is the procedure. Now we are going to show you the report.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have to go to the report. All these customers you are calling, it will going off from here one by one. So it's very simple.
Yes, the goal is that at the end of the day, you don't have anything on the sales call schedule.
Yes. Everything should be clean here. Report. Sales call. Malina, which one the report?
I think the first one was the one that we analyzed.
After sales call, general information.
So
Hello?
Yes.
So you can select, let me select all because okay, I called Nissan, right? So we'll select Nissan. You can take all and you can take the selective dealer. Okay, you have to choose here. This one, you leave this one, you take all.
Date range, change the date.
No, with today, no? This date range is the polling date or the invoice date,
The call date.
call date.
The
All
contract.
made, not made, all. All, if you select the all call will come.
Yes, correct.
Okay, yeah, all call, whatever, if you call the customer and not call the customer, if you select here the all in the report, everything will come. I will show you that one also, but this one is the made call. How many call we made? Is the call made? Is the detailed comments? You can choose whatever the option you want to choose and just take the printout.
Expand the date range because you only have May and your contact was on February.
Okay, contact was in February. So it means it is not the call date, it is the date of the invoice.
Of the contact.
It is the
Let me
date
show
of
you.
invoice.
Just a minute. You see, for example, if you close this contact, this is the date. The date that they have
So
here,
it
that
means,
it should match with the date they make the contact.
so this date, which date is this? This is the due date.
The date of the contact is generated.
Date of contact is generated.
Yes.
Okay, it means this is the invoice date.
Yes, it's the same. It's set like that.
Okay, okay, okay. This is the invoice date.
Yes. It can be different from the invoice date, but in your case, it's the same.
So now we are going on report.
There. No.
Sales call. After sales call, generate information. Select the dealer. You can choose the store also if you need.
So some here, because like
So I'm taking from 1st February to 28th February.
Nissan select, okay?
Huh?
Honda select.
Oh.
The comments also, yes.
But
Detail comments.
we didn't put the comments.
क्या होता है? हाँ, तीनों. मैं छोड़ दो. It's okay. Print करो.
Now we are on the report. You can see here, this is the store which you called. This is the customer name. This was the question, which is the rating 1, 4, yes, no. Okay, this is the another question. जिसमें भी है कि आपने डिटेल लिया ना, क्वेश्चन हटा देने का. With that format we have given to them. Format we have given to them. They are working on that one, right, Melina?
Yes, correct.
Our question format, which is given to Ludmila.
Yes.
Yeah, they are working on that one. So this is the report, but you no need to select the so many options. So just take
Just the date and
the simple
call
report.
type.
It will give you the clear picture. Okay, remove this one also. Just take this one. So now you can see here,
Can't be taken Excel.
Excel, we have given the Excel format to them. So this is the total call made, not made, because we taken the report made call. So that's why it's saying the 24.
But when this call has been made?
Date is there.
15th of February, it is 9th of May.
No? I was testing some data. Some data I was testing.
Yes.
What user get called today?
Not today. It will not come today. The call date will go on this date. You know that due date. It will go to the due date.
Today or tomorrow or when?
Malina,
Yes.
how many calls are made today?
Right now,
Yes.
I think
Today I
you
made
made
two
two.
calls. Huh? Today I have made only 2 calls.
Yes.
How can I check that one? That how many calls I made in the current date?
It depends on the date you use. Let me check.
I used today, na? Today one. Today I called 2 customers, right?
Right. By day, I understand what you get. I will have to look for a report for that.
Okay. Just see. Can you check now or you will inform later?
I will inform later. I will check on the server.
Okay. So anybody have any question? Come here. What is your question?
My question is,
Yes.
if I call a customer and
Yes.
I ask 1, 2, 3, 4 questions,
Yes.
and the customer is saying, oh, I'm driving, your question is getting too much.
That is you discuss with your manager what is the solution for that.
Okay.
Autologica will not control that one. And come. Okay, finish. No other question. तो बहुत सारे हैं. चिरू आपका
Same होते हैं अभी.
नहीं वो क्वेश्चन तो कभी खत्म नहीं होंगे. Okay, Malina.
Yes.
Malina, now there is the 2-3 points are there. Point number one, satisfied and dissatisfied, how we are going to control.
Okay, I'm taking notes.
Yeah, satisfied and dissatisfied.
Yes, I will check that.
Yeah. Second
Right
point,
now, the
the
options
how many
are the ones that you
call-
already know.
how many call
regarding the
we made?
response. But we will check what we can do.
Okay, because when we send and this request, we already given the satisfied and dissatisfied option should be there.
Okay, I will check on the ticket.
Okay, just yeah, check my mail and check. You can discuss with the Ludmila when the Ludmila is resume.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, but Octavio
Okay. Now the second.
knows that also.
Yeah, maybe Octavio is having. No problem. And the second thing, that how many calls we made today? You know,
Yes.
current date. My 10 CRE is working. 10 CRE is working. Somebody is calling 10 customers. Somebody is calling 15 customers. Someone is calling the 20 customers. So I want to know, as on 9th February, 9th May, how many
How many calls?
call has been made overall and as per as CRE wise. Like CRE Arvind have made 20 call, Malina have made 15 call, and the other guy has made the 30 call.
Yes, correct. I will check for a
On
report for
8th
that.
May. On 9th May and 8th May date wise.
Yes.
Okay. So any other question, Pankaj, which we left? Only 2 questions is remaining.
Okay.
Okay, call, can we capture the call time? What time they called? Because it should not be happening the one CRE sit down there and the finish one call in a one shot without calling the customer.
Right now, I think we don't have that. I will check on
Just
the.
note it down that also, because that is the very important question from the Pankaj. You know, the CRA, at least if she is calling the customer, it will take time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that point also.
So what you
And
want is
let us
to
know which
have
point
the
you will
time of the
cover in
contact.
three point. Yeah.
Okay.
And when this facility will be ready for the production server.
Yes, that is something that Octavio would check.
Okay. So can we close this session?
Yes, I can.
Does anybody have any question? Okay. Malina, just look that 3 points